Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the butterfly wings gift set from Dermacol. Well guys, I have had this set for such a long time. I bought it last year somewhere in November, but I didn't have time to film it. Don't worry, now that things go back to normal, I have more free time to fix this issue. Here we have, as I said, butterfly wings gift set. The set is affordable. From the packaging we see the products that we will find inside. No mystery at all. First we have a nail polish, 5-day stay nail polish in a beautiful pink glittery shade called 11 Princess Rule. I'm sure that I will love the nail polish. This kind of a formula with glitters resists very well on the nails. I am pleased with this product. Second product from the set is a mascara, Butterfly Wings, High Impact and Definition Extreme Length Mascara. So we have a lengthening mascara. I think that this is a very good mascara from Dermacol because the set is called by its name. The packaging is just gorgeous. I like it. The last product from the set is a Valipancic Tint. It comes in this beautiful packaging, very nice. The shade is... oh, we don't have a shade name for it. Okay guys, we unboxed the set, we saw the products, now let's try them on. I will start with the nail polish. This is how it looks on the nails with only one coat. And this is how it looks with 2 coats of the nail polish applied. Now let's move to the Valipancic Tint. The shade is beautiful, is a iridescent pink. I'm curious to see how it will look on the skin. I will apply it not only as a highlighter, I will apply it as a blush too. Guys, I will tell you my personal opinion about this product. Unfortunately, I personally don't like it. First, it melts the foundation. Well, at least where this product is applied, it moves the foundation. And no matter how hard you try to blend it into the skin, it doesn't move. It emphasizes everything on the skin. It looks really bad. On the lips it feels very strange. It doesn't moisturize the lips. The color is not opaque, but worst thing is that you can feel the taste of this product, and it's not a nice one. For me, this product is a miss. The last product to try is the Butterfly Wings Lengthening Mascara. The wand has silicone bristles and the shape is interesting. To be honest, I don't like lengthening mascaras. I go more for volume mascaras. I like them more. Unfortunately, I don't like this mascara. I have straight lashes and maybe because of that I don't like it. My lashes, to look nice, I need a mascara that will curve them and will add volume in the same time, and this mascara doesn't do that. If we will go again through the products tried today, unfortunately, I liked only the nail polish. The shade is beautiful and I am sure that will resist amazing on the nails. Butterfly Wings Mascara, I didn't like it. It's not a good working mascara for me, even if a brush looks good. When you start to apply it, you realize it doesn't do anything to your lashes. Is only brushing them and adds product and that's it. Nope, is not a good product for me. Valipancic Tint is the product I liked the least. The formula is soft on touch, but is applying awful. As I said earlier, it melts the foundation, it doesn't blend easy. I will try to apply it on the bare skin to see if there will be a difference. I don't recommend to apply it on the lips. It tastes strange and the color is not opaque. Even if these 2 products wasn't good for me, I still want to explore more the brand Dermacol and try more products from them. Okay, beautiful people, this was today's video. I hope you find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!